Hi friends, most welcome to MATLAB LaTeX software channel, and today we will discuss about how to make such type design in LaTeX software by using different packages. We will move to its coding and discuss. We zoom it. First of all, we'll discuss about document class, in which I have used 12 typeface size, A4 paper size, and article. Here is geometry, in which I use its margin is 100 point, include foot is false, margin power is 1 millimeter, A4 paper width is 1 and 0.9 centimeter, also height, and left right button here. And these are pages are necessary for it. uh, First of all, we will discuss about its color. Its colors define a color, in which my gray is its dimensions are 112 and 120 and 138. And next one defined color is my 10 HTML. Its dimensions are F6D5A8. And now also define a color in my blue is CMYK, in which its dimensions are 4 9 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0. And also define a color y blue, in which its dimensions are 27 39 and 64. Now also define a color my blue 4, in which its dimensions are 80 90 and 198. And define a color in Yakin blue, its dimensions are 27 39 and 64. Define a color gold, in which its dimensions are 251 129 and 2. And also define a color my blue 3, its dimensions are 35 56 and 25. Now we will discuss about its coordinates, in which we define a command TikZ in curly braces losing slash dot pick is equal to curly braces of path, and its path defined as current page dot west is coordinate of W, and current page dot is coordinate of E, current page of north coordinate of N, current page dot south coordinate of E, current page of north west coordinate of A, and also current page dot northeast is coordinate of B, current page dot southeast coordinate of C, current page dot southwest is coordinate of D. Now we'll define its backside color, in which fill of black, factorial 35 factorial of orange of A, rectangle C, semicolon. And also define backslash of A, curly braces of A plus 0 comma minus J slash G, backslash J, dollar sign, bracket band, bracket close, and double backslash of bracket start, dollar sign of B plus minus backslash of I comma 0, dollar sign double dash of dollar sign C plus 0 comma backslash of J, double dash dollar sign of D plus backslash of I 0 comma double dash of cycle. Curly braces 1 for each I define, in which we use 2 4 into 18, and for each for A J define in 1 2 3 4 8 and 26. and double curly braces pgf math set micro of backslash of k of curly braces backslash j star 3 plus backslash I curly braces closed and backslash fill blue factorial of k blur shadow percentage sign of curly braces start shadow blur steps 5 shadow s shift is minus 0.8 millimeter and shadow y shift is minus 2 millimeter scale 0.25 square bracket closed backslash of a semicolon and curly braces also closed here. Begun document page style is plain. Begun tickets pictures member picture overlay path 1 comma pic of scale 3 is equal to losing and now define another its front side node of anchor is west at shift is calibrations minus 4 comma 5 of e and text pdf render is text rendering mode fill of stroke color is equal to my blue 3 and line width is 1.5 point fill color is black and font size it's 30 and ss family type bold series is MATLAB LaTeX software and TikZPicture and document. We'll recompile it and also check it. If we want to change here is east. Now check its dimensions. It's friends, thanks for listening me and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.